guys, we're continuing our tour of New York and we are out at New Jersey in the Woodbury Outlet Mall, and we're just about to pop into this Toys R Us outlet and let's see what things we can find. So we're back from our toy hunt at the Toys R Us outlet, and these are some of the cars that we managed to find there. These are of course all Greenlight collectibles. These are all made as limited editions and of course feature Hollywood movie cars. So the first of which is the Blues Brothers car, and then we've got this Pontiac from Smokey and the Bandit, and from the Bullet, this Ford Mustang, Steve McQueen's car of course. Greenlights are very difficult to find in the UK, which makes them very collectible. And then these American muscle cars were the other ones that we managed to pick up. We've got a couple of police cars. I actually found two Smokey and the Bandit cars. And then the last two are these two here, the Dodge Challenger and the 70 Chevrolet. So we'll be continuing our toy hunt across New York, and anything interesting that we do find we will be posting upon our YouTube channel. So if you do like looking at toys, then do be sure to subscribe to our channel and be kept up to date with what we find.